Get the net, get the net. Oh, it's a shark. It's a little boy. We don't need the net, I got him. I thought there were a lot of head shakes. I thought it was a small red. Oh yeah. Little sharp nose. Actually pretty decent size. Yeah. I saw the line because the line was right behind the boat. I saw it going up, up, up. And then all I did was flip the paddle forward, put some drag, and it was off to the races. So let's grab this guy just like that. Right through the bottom. Oh yeah.
He's bleeding pretty good.
Come on. Open. It's a male. Come on, big boy. Can you get one of the shark hookers? Because yeah. I want to pry his mouth open. And bring me a little fish chunk. Send him something on his way with. Yeah, just a little chunk of fish. One of those small, older cut baits. Yeah, that's perfect.
He ain't so alive anymore. He's kind of got a little bit of movement. He ain't doing too hot.
Thank you.
That hook just sets so deep.
Yeah, I mean, it goes right around their jaw, which is perfect. Give you a little fish. Off on your way with that little boy.
A little snack.
Snack to go. And you're swimming, you're swimming, you're swimming. There you go.
He might have a hole in his lip, but he got a snack.
Yeah, he's fine. He got some jewelry.